So we're doing chapter 13, okay? Lesson 7. We already did lesson 6, okay? So it says areas and the distributive property. Okay. It says draw it. It says the grid shows a rectangle with a length of 6 units. So from here to here is 6 units. And the width is 5 units. Okay, so again, the area is going to be length times width, which is 6 times 5. Okay. So as of right now, the area of the rectangle is how much? 30 units, right? 30 units. Okay. Now it says if the length of the rectangle is increased by 2. So now I'm going to increase it by 2. So now I have this as well. Okay. It says shade more unit squares so that the length of the rectangle is now increased by 2 units, and we did that already. Okay. So now instead of 6, how long is the length? 8. All right, so that's what we did. Then it says label the additional rectangle formed by what you shaded as rectangle B. So this whole thing now is rectangle B. Okay, this is rectangle B is the whole thing. Okay, the one that they shaded is going to be rectangle A. Okay, what is the area of rectangle B? So now rectangle B has how much? How long is the length? No, the length. It was 6. We added 2 more. 8. So now the length is 8. Does the width change? No, the width's still 5. So now 8 times 5 is 40. So the area, what is the area of rectangle B? 40. Wait, time out. Sorry. The whole thing is 40. Okay. So this is B and this is A. That's what they want you to do. The area of B is going to be 2 times 5. The area of A is going to be 6 times 5. And that's what they have right here. So what's 6 times 5? 30. And then 2 times 5? 10. So then 30 plus 10 is 40. So the area of the whole rectangle, including A and B, is going to be 40 square units. Now we're going to take this rectangle and we're going to decompose 12 units into 10 and 2. So now they have this. Now I need to find the area of this rectangle and then the area of this rectangle. Okay. So again, the area is length times width. So for the area of, let's say this is A, 10 times 7, which is 70. Okay. And then the area of this one, which is, well, let's call it B, 2 times 7. How do I know it's 7? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So width is 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. And then I add those together. So 70 plus 14. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 84. So that whole shape is 84 square units. What you could also have done was, well, is it area length times width, right? So I'm going to take 12 times the width, which is 7, and 12 times 7 is 48. But what they did was they decomposed it 12 to 10 and 2, so that way it makes it easier to multiply and then add both areas. Go on to the next page there. Let's do number 3, and then you can do 4 together. Okay. It looks like they went ahead and decomposed one number, 6 or 7. I have 6 still. 7. Then they composed 7 to what two numbers? 2 and 5. And then they just multiplied. They did this. Here's 5 right here. Okay, so they went 5 times 6. And then here's the 2 right here. And they went 6 times 2. Okay, so 6 times 5 is 30, not 3. And then 6 times 2, 12. And then they added those together. 30 plus 12. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 42. Or I could have just gone 7 times 6 is 42. But they want you to use the distributive property. That's what they want. That's what they want for you to do. Okay. Can you go ahead and do number 4, please? This is where you should have it. So, Lily, what's 8 times 5? Great. Okay. 8 times 4? Hoageen? Excuse me? 28. Anybody else have anything different? 32. Okay, so then I add those. So 40 plus 32. 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 72. And if you go back, 9 times 7, 8 times 9, sorry, 8 times 9 will equal 72. So this one has 72 square units. Okay, you might want to use the chart on the back of the book. Okay. So if you use this, I could do this multiple ways, right? So go and do 5 and 6 for me, please. And then just so you know, area equals length times width. Okay. So it says area length times width, right? This is the length right here. Okay, that's 11 times the width, which is right here, which is 4. 11 times 4. What is it? 44. If you're not sure, we're going to do this then. I wonder if I can find it. There we go. Oops. 11 times 4, right? 11 times 4. So here's 11 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
You could do this too. So you could just double 4 and then it'll be 4.
Exactly. Yes.
Anything times
11 times 4. So then it was 12 times 5, right? So here's 12. I'm going to skip the zeros. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 times 5 is? What is it? 60.